Hello guys, what's up? I'm Taufiqur Rahman. Welcome to my programming channel. And you see, this is one of my products in Code Canyon Web 2 app, and I'm making the app customization videos based on this product. I hope that you have already purchased it. And you see here the detailed feature list, and at the bottom of the page you see the technical documentation link, and I have already opened it. And you see, this is the app customization documentation, and I'm going to start making videos based on this document. And in my previous video I have shown you how to open a project and how to see the project structure in Android Studio. And today I'm going to show you how can you customize the app. So for today I'm going to show you how can you change the site URL. So you see, here are the guidelines and this is the screenshot. So I'm going to show you how can you change the site URL. To change the site URL, go to appconstant.java file and replace the base URL. So let's go to appconstant.java file. Here is the data constant, and you see this is the constant, the Java file, and you see this is the base URL. And by default we set google.com as our base URL, and after purchasing the product you will replace this URL by your site. So you need not to do more thing. So for today, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.